And we are home. 3110 in the reserve. This is the Grande suite. The same room category that we had a few days ago. Now that we're back with Paramount Blue. So then you have your mini fridge don't touch bar, your safe, your snackies, and again, it's all nice space in here. Beautiful hardwood floors. TV's not huge, but there are two of them, so the tapestries are nice. They have a real feel to them.
I need the money.
Nope, listen to her. All she wants is the money. Little table set up here. Our view this time is of Aria, Cosmo, and there's the Rio over there, mountains in the background. So different than the street view or the strip view we had. King size bed. Cannot wait to sleep in it. It is, we believe, the best bed on the strip.
Yeah.
Settee in front of the window. The temperature is as low as it'll go at 60. The tub, the woulda, coulda, shoulda tub, which we never do have a tub in, but we always say we're going to. Coffee maker, a couple of waters there in the pods. What kind of coffee maker is it?
It's like an espresso.
It looks like Nescafe. I don't know what it is. I'm not a coffee drinker. And the other bathroom. This is the one with the shower. The other one only is a water closet. So the shower, it's not a big shower. It's certainly not the size of Fountain Blue, which is monstrous, but it's not a shy shower. And the single sink and a little vanity desk. And people are swimming in the Nomad pool down there. Must be heated. As if it's not, they're freezing. It's in the shade. Beautiful. Again, view of Aria, Cosmo, Vidara. Everything is over this way. So we will show you what the rest of ParkMGM and the reserve are throughout the day. We love it here. We're home. We'll see you later.